Goa will get justice.
What about the words, madam?
I assure you on my
What is the future course of action, madam, so that women are safe?
If ever, you are for your service, bring it forward to us.
We are peace-loving people. We are peace-loving. We have never been, in fact, supported this situation. No, we were put outside earlier. Yeah, now we are here because
कलंगूट जावं मेन म्हणल्यार गोवा ट्युरिझम डेस्टिनेशनाचेर विमेन आर नॉट सेफ, यूथ आर नॉट सेफ. झगडी झुजा जाता, कोणाक बंदूक घालून मारता, कोणाक रेप करून मारता, मर्डर जाता, रेप जाता. सो हे कंटिन्यूअस आता इतले पासून पावला आनी हांगा आता सद्याक द क्वीन ऑफ बीचीस म्हणटाले पळय ते दॅट हॅज गॉट अ टेन. तेजेर एक दाग पडलेलो आहा. ही आता चेडवाची बॉडी मेवला पळय ते आमकां क्लियर करूंक जाय. की तुम्ही म्हणता आता एज पर पोस्टमॉर्टम रिपोर्ट आमच्यांनी न्यूजार आयकलो की एसपीन म्हणल्यार इट इज केस ऑफ ड्रावनिंग म्हणून. नाव वी वॉन्ट टू नो कित्याक आमचे पेरंट्स आहा तेय भियेला, ते फाल्यां आमकां भायर वचपाक दिवचे ना. सीएम म्हणटा पेरंट्साची फॉल्ट म्हणून की भुरगे भायर बिचार भोंवता म्हणून. आमकां कितें बिचार भोंवंक रायट ना? आमचे घरा बिचार आहा, आमकां घरा भायर रावंक जायना. सगळ्यांची आमची कोस्टल बेल्टाची प्रॉपर्टी सगळ्यांची बिचार देंवता. तर आमकां ते आमचेच भाटान रावंक जायना, आमचेच बिचार आमच्या घरा भायर वचोंक जायना म्हणल्यार सीएम इज ट्रायंग टू से वॉट. एंड नाव इतलेच पासून जाला की ते आता बॉडी मेवला बिचार, कालंगूट बिचार बॉडी मेवला. ड्रावनिंग केस म्हणून तेंच्यांनी डिक्लेअर केला. वेर इज द एव्हिडन्स? हाऊ डीड दॅट बॉडी रीच देर? तेजे फायनल पॉइंट, वेर डीड शी गो फ्रॉम, वेन शी वेंट फ्रॉम अ हाऊस, where did she go, with whom did she go, how did she land up on the Kalangut beach? Yajar kaith connection detail kaith diuna ha. It is and now
need to be in a hurry to cremate.
No, this is not political. This is not political. Come only to the Kalangut police station. We have gone to every village. त्यांनी तर तुमचं फ्री आली तरी तुम्ही काय बरं काम करता? आम्ही हे एक पोलीस स्टेशनाचेर येऊन तुमकां सीएम फ्री हँड दिना तेका लागून पाड पडटा. सीएम फ्री हँड दिना तेका लागून पाड At least 48 hours, within 48 hours कितें तरी रिस्पॉन्स आसूंक जाय. टेम्पररी पोजीशन तेंगेले सीएम पे आनी एचएम टेम्पररी पोजीशन.
How dare they burn the body? How dare they cremate it? It's destroyed now.
If the viceroy is not retained, how are you going to investigate the crime?
no, madam, I'm telling you, this is a big
We are asking you if there is a drug angle. You are saying, madam, how can you investigate a drug angle when the body is already disposed?
Is it preserved?
आपकी बातें टैली नहीं हो रही, मैच नहीं हो रही.
अगर
We have lost faith in our law.
हमको कुछ मत
हजम होने जैसा कुछ भी नहीं है. मैंने पहले ही बोला हजम होने जैसा कुछ भी नहीं है.
Believe the doctors.
ऑलरेडी बॉडी तो आप लोगों ने जला दिया. अभी क्या करेंगे? कैसा इन्वेस्टिगेशन होगा उसमें? किस तरह का इन्वेस्टिगेशन होगा अभी?
This is only cover up.
Now, on whose body are we going to investigate?
What is the hurry in
We need to see.
cremating the body?
You all have destroyed. First, you all manipulated. Now destroyed. So no more evidence. After 6 months, everything will be gone and she's lost.
Madam, don't help her. What help is this?
By law, the body cannot be destroyed.
Who is the Home
Cannot
Minister
be
of State?
cremated.
Who is the Home Minister of State? Where is Minister? No. There is no Home Minister. Don't repeat
आम्ही हांगा यूथ काँग्रेस PCC सगळे हांगा जमयले आसा महिलास. ओके, इंट्रोड्यूस युअरसेल्फ. I am Beena Naik, President of Goa Pradesh Mahila Congress. Just now we had a dharna in Panjim at Azad Maidan from 3 to 5. Then immediately I came here, and it's very sickening, very sad thing that we have to come and do the dharna and come to the police station off and on. Because there are so many cases that are happening in Goa. Within a short period of 25 days, there are 5 to 6 cases of rape, molestation, murder, kidnapping. One case that happened in Uzgaon, okay. Second case that was in Ponda. Second was in Benauli. Third was in Kepe. Fourth was in Valpai. And a 14-year-old girl, she was kidnapped, okay, and molested and raped, and all these things were done. And now this is the 5th case. We don't know. Investigation is going on, but as per the police report, they are saying that she was drowned. But we just could not reconcile to what they are saying, because how can her body be seen without clothes on the beach? If she was drowned, she would have been in the water for a long time, and fish would have tried to eat her skin. Whether there were any marks on the body, we have no idea. The body was cremated very fast, so no clue was left what exactly happened to the girl. That's what we wanted to know from the police personnel, but they are helpless. They are saying that investigation is going on, and when we asked them how long will it take for the investigation, they said we cannot say. But now the body is already cremated. They say that all the whatever investigation that we have done, or whatever proofs that we have, it's with us. It is being saved. Okay. Now I want to ask the CM of Goa, who is also the Home Minister of Goa. Not only him, but all his BJP MLAs who are the ministers, and especially the minister of Kalangut. What is he doing at home? Why he is not raising his voice? Why he is not taking any action? It should have been immediate investigation, and immediate we should have come to know what exactly is happening here. Now Kalangut is considered to be one of the tourist destinations. If in this tourist destination such type of things are going to happen, how we are going to call the people from other places and from abroad? That because here we are girls, our ladies are not, they themselves are not safe. So the sitting minister, he should realize how the image of Goa is getting tarnished day by day. How we are going to improve the image of Goa? Because we rely on tourism, and if tourism fails, what is going to happen? I would also like to ask the ladies from BJP, Mahila Morcha, what are they doing? So many cases have taken place in Goa, 5 cases within a short period, and within 7, now from January 21 to till date, that is August, within 7 months, we had 14 rapes, we had 12 abductions, okay, molestations, and 15 we have minor girls were abducted. What is this? Kidnapped? What is this happening within 7 months? So this is a high time that BJP government should just go away from here, because they are not giving the protection to the women of Goa. They are not giving protection to the girls of Goa, and how we are going to move in the society freely. Goa is a state, our culture is different, our ways of living is different. Our girls, they move out, okay, for job, for various things, emergency calls, doctors are, educated girls are there, and now there is a fear. What is going to happen to the girls and the ladies of Goa? So now I think that all the ministers including the Chief Minister, who is the Home Minister, should take the moral responsibility and resign from their post. Leave the post, because our ladies are not safe in Goa. Thank you.
जे आमचे गोंयची जी चली आसा म्हापशा रावपी तेजी बॉडी आमकां आतां खबर पडला की 2 दीस जाले हांगा कालांगूट पुलीस स्टेशनार बॉडी मेळिल्ली आसा आनी हाका 2 दीस जावपाक पावले आनी आतांच आमकां पुलीस स्टेशनार येवन खबर पडलें की तेजी बॉडी ऑलरेडी डिस्पोज केल्ली आसा म्हणून आमी म्हणटा एक वायरल जाल्ली आसा खबर की तेणें सुसायड केला म्हणून जर सुसायड केल्ले भुरगे जर सुसायड करपाक जर कोणाकूच जाय आशिल्ले जाल्यार ते जस्ट वयतले आनी कपडे काडटले आनी वचून सुसायड करतले इज इट पॉसिबल इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल सो हें जें आसा हेजो आमी ही जी घटना जी जाल्ली आसा हेजो सारको निशेध करता आनी पुलीस प्रशासन जे आसा आमची गोंयची तेंचे कडेन मागता की थरली हेजेर कितें आसा तें इन्वेस्टिगेशन जावपाक जाय आनी ट्रूथ कितें आसा तें भायर सरपाक जाय
प्रोस्टिट्यूशन करता ती चेडवां ही भायली येता ती आनी तांकां हे पुलीस सेफ करता आतां म्हाका सांगशात इन कालांगूट एवरी गली आमचे कालांगूट पुलीस आसा तांकां बीट पुलीस आसता आतां हे बीट पुलीस नको कितें चलता तें कालांगुटान आयज ड्रग्स चलना प्रोस्टिट्यूट चलना आमी लेटरी बरयल्यो पुलिसेक कांयच जायना
आमदारांक कांय पण गेली ना हे प्रत्येका आपले धंद्या बिजी आसात हेंकां आमी शपथ घेतली गव्हर्नरा फुडें आमी राज्य सुखान आनी सुसज्ज चलयतले म्हण शांततेन चलयतले म्हण सुवेवस्था दितली म्हण पण ह्या सगळ्या आपापल्या धंद्याक तो CM आसतो मायनींग कोळसो आनी कितें कॅजिनो आनी मागीर टायम मेळटा ट्रिपी मेजप बाकी आहा ते बाकी ते तुमकां आसात ते मी एकटो कोण सिरियस आसले दाखया म्हाका खंयचो आमदार खंयचो मंत्री जावं आतां मुख्यमंत्र्यान कितें स्टेटमेंट आयिल्लो आसा ह्या हेचेर इन्सिडेंटाचेर आयिल्ले आसा फाल्यां सांगितली रेप जाल्यो मर्डर जाल्यो तसो फेस्टिवला टायप हें जाल्लें हें जाल्लें क्रायम चालू जाल्लें आसा
सिद्धी नायक उड्डा पळय ते ताका बापूय घेवन हांगा येयलो कामाक सोडपाक म्हणजे ताका आपले ग्रीन पार्क म्हणटा हॉटेला कडेन सोडले बाय तूं बशीन बस आनी वच म्हणून बापायन ताका सोडले ते रातीक ते पावना दुसरे दिसा ते पावना बापायन काडले आनी पुलीस कंप्लेंट दिली की 2 दीस जाले आपले चेडूं ना म्हणून आनी आतां काल सकाळी तेजी फातोडेचेर बॉडी मेळ्ळी थंयसर आनी ती विवस्त्र आसले ते आमी विचारता जर CM हे म्हणटा की आवय बापायन लक्ष दवरूंक जाय तर दिसा ढवळे आमी फाटल्या आमच्या फॅमिली वांगडा भुरग्यां वांगडा भोंवतले बायलां वांगडा बी खंय वयता कोण हेंचेर रेप करतलो म्हणून हेका जबाबदार म्हणटा पळय CM आसा आनी CM कडेन एक गृह खातें आहा आनी आयज कोंगुटचें नांव पिड्यार जाल्लें आहा बिकॉज